Hope for the best, man. I mean, what could happen? I get more land. Burns everything down, I get more land. They call me One Light Mike. That's what they call me, One Light Mike. I didn't want to throw them in the dumpster. There's some old girlfriend's pictures in there too. Let's get rid of them dudes. Well, welcome back to the channel. I can't stand it anymore, guys. I can't. It's got to go. And what I'm talking about is this huge pile. The conditions are perfect. We had a good rain last night. The ground is wet. This is probably going to be a little wet, maybe a little hard to get going. The other day, I went through all my old files, and that is what needs to be thrown out. Camera, cooperate with me. So those are files going, tax records, whatever, going back to the late 80s. So time to get rid of them. And let's see if we can't get this thing started and get it done. It just drives me nuts. So I'm going to set y'all on the tripod and see if we can't get it started. All right. Okay, let's just grab a handful of this stuff. I'm sure there's critters living in here, but we're going to have to let them go. Yeah, this stuff's pretty wet. Get on up in there. We'll get some diesel fuel. You know, they make these safety lids or spouts, and you can't use them. You got to end up taking them off because they don't work worth a hoot. It's just another gripe, I guess. All right, let's just try to get one part going here. These dry cedar needles should... Let's just try that. It's going to burn slow, but that's good. I want it to burn slow. All right, let's get this diesel out of here. Let that soak in for a second. Okay, let's move this way back here. Hope for the best, man. I mean, what could happen? I get more land. Burns everything down, I get more land. And a sentence, a nice long sentence. In a comfy, cozy little, ooh, that ain't, nice cozy little room. 3 meals a day. Let's do it. There we go, there's no stopping it now. Let's just see if that takes off. They call me One Light Mike. That's what they call me, One Light Mike. Honestly, I'm going to be surprised if it takes off. All right, let's get the Gorilla card out of here so she don't melt. Get on now. Yeah. Come on, take off. Where's them tax records? Yeah. I didn't want to throw them in the dumpster. There's some old girlfriend's pictures in there too. Let's get rid of them dudes. If anything, I've burned up all the trash. History. And a calendar from 2012. Time to throw that out. Here we go. Alright, I'm going to go walk down here and get my bucket of water. Y'all want to see me walk down here and get my bucket of water? Because that thing's going to follow me. I think we're going to have some good luck. Should be burned up in an hour. You know what? My bucket probably filled up. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. How do I look walking back with a bucket of water? Let's do some curls. Oh yeah, poor man's weights. I should make exercise videos. I know. Now get over here where the fire's at, man. Oh, I turned you. Come on. Come on. There we go. I think we're going to have good luck. I forgot to take my string down. So let's figure a way to save my string. Well. Ah. String is cheap. All I really need to watch for is any traveling fire on the ground. Very unlikely chance of that. All right, let's put y'all on time lapse. Alright, that went very well. I do not recommend putting papers, loose papers like I did in there, especially if it's dry, because what happens when paper burns, the embers go 100 feet in the air. If this was dry like it was 2 weeks ago, I'd be in trouble. I knew that was going to happen, but as wet as it is out here, I didn't think there'd be an issue. And, well, I don't see anybody's house on fire or the forest. Lighting a fire 10 feet from the national forest, not a good idea. So you got to make sure the conditions are just right, and they are. As you can see here, let's spin around. I'm just waiting for that part of it to catch, and it will. It's just too hot to get over here right now. For some reason, the heat is intense right there. I can push that stuff over, and that should help catch that on fire. It's going to be gone before I go to bed tonight, trust me. But it's burned up pretty quick, and I'm glad to get this out of here. This was the last huge pile. Now all that's left is little small ones. I might take care of these today. But I gotta tell you a story, man. You remember in the beginning of the video where I said I was throwing out old tax records, old girlfriends' pictures? Well, I wasn't kidding. I had several old girlfriends' pictures in there. Some of them didn't end well. But there was this one girl. She was a feisty gal. And she was killed, I think about 3 years ago, out in San Diego in a car accident. And I looked down after I threw all that in. Everything had burned up. I looked down, and I won't show her face. And not one, but two of her pictures was laying just outside the burn line. And I'm like, yeah, she's watching. She did not like that. So, yeah, what do you do with old girlfriend pictures, man? You know? You feel bad for burning them, but, you know, if it didn't go well with them, then no. I would have burnt them up years ago. But I didn't even know I had them until I went through all them files and kind of got a few giggles out of it. But I actually debated with her on whether to get rid of her pictures or not. And I'm like, well, why hang on to them? You know, just have the memory or whatever. So I guess I'm hanging on to them. I mean, I found that to be kind of weird. So we're going to let this dude burn down. I need to get this half caught. I think I'm going to throw some diesel on there. It just doesn't look like it's going to take off, but we need to get it taken care of. Throw this up in here and get a bigger fire going. It might catch, but perfect conditions. We're going to get it done. All right, I went over there, poured some diesel. No luck. So I got, ooh, is it hot? It is hot. This burning takes it out of you, man. Let me see if I can shove some of this up here. Oh, can't be in there long. Whew, ain't gonna have no eyebrows left. Work it all that way. Woo. Hopefully that takes off. A lot of cleanup gonna be back here. Yeah, a lot of this stuff's really wet. That side's the weather side, so it's probably wetter than it was over here. All right, I think we got it going. Woo, it's a roaster over here. Didn't burn my string. Got me a new rake. This is a heavy duty dude here. Yeah, this stuff wears you out, man. Ooh, what do we need eyebrows for anyway? There she goes. I think that'll do her. I need to work on my cardio. Maybe I better pull that treadmill out. Use it every morning. I think I could put it under the carport. It'll be fine. All right, we just wait now. I won't make you guys wait. All right. Well, just about all of it is burning up. We got that one little section there. I'm waiting for the heat to go down a little bit, and what I'll start doing is just raking it all towards the center, getting all the bigger stuff burned up. You can see that tree caught, but it's gonna be a while. I'll probably come out once the church service is over across the street, and if what ain't burned up, I'll cut with a chainsaw. All right. So, what did we learn today? Don't be afraid to fire up a big old bonfire if the conditions are right. Now, I would never want to be the guy that burn up people's homes or the national forest, so this one scared me. This one scared me. If we would have lit this 2 weeks ago, I can almost guarantee you we would have had problems. And it was just so dry. It's still dry, but right now there's moisture in the air. The humidity's right. The ground is wet. The leaves are all wet on the privet and all that back there. And that stuff's pretty hard to catch anyway. But on the forest floor, there's a lot of dead, dry stuff. So. And the other thing we learned is don't throw away old girlfriends' pictures, especially if they're not here anymore and they're watching. I ain't doing that again. So we'll have to keep those pictures. So let's take a look at what we got. I think we're going to end it there, guys, because the rest of it's just boring and raking, and that raking kicks my hiney. Don't know what it is about picking up a rake. As you can see, I mean, this couldn't have went any better. It didn't hardly, you know, the grass is all green, the weeds and stuff around it are all green and wet. It never went out of the area that it was stacked. So it worked out very well. Let's take a quick look down here. We had that rain, And so what that's done is wet down that whole area where all that, ashes were. It's nice and black now. Well, hello, Miss Telly. Where you at? There you are. It burned down, so you're not afraid anymore. Okay. Did you want to walk with me now? Okay, let's go show these people some stuff. All right. Yeah, this is going to look very nice when it's done. Let me show you what I'm going to do, guys, before we go with the dog cemetery. Okay. So here we got wattles. That's just a pile of rock. That's wattles, pile of rocks. Got Waldo, Libby, Wally, and over here got Lucy, Puppy. That was my brother's dog, and Lulu. And also 2 of my brother's dogs are buried in between here with no markers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the stones from these 3 graves and I'm going to move them over here in an even row. Yes, they're not actually buried here, but it's a memorial. Okay, Lucy died in 2017, and it's just the memory that we look at, right? It's not actual. You're not going to dig them up and look at them, so you might as well just let's get this in order where it's in a nice straight row. And I even hate to talk about it, but Tilly, yeah, you don't want to be standing there because that's where your forever spot's going to be. The other 4 will be right here. There ain't going to be any more. I say that, but we'll see. So we're going to have a little fenced area here for the dog cemetery. I'm going to clean it up really nice, make it look nice. We're going to get rid of these rocks. The rocks are just basically, when you first bury them, you don't want wild animals coming and digging them up. I have seen that happen at the ranch I worked at. It's not a fun situation when you got to deal with that. So we're going to get rid of the rocks, and I think we're going to make all the headstones look the same. I am going to make Waldo's. He won't have marble like that, but we're going to make it look nice. That's coming up. I got a lot of plans for this section. It's a good chunk of land. So you just stand by, and of course next week I'm going to be starting on the dog apartment. If you haven't seen that video, that's yesterday's video. Go check it out. I explain what I'm going to do there. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to hit that like button for me. That really helps. And subscribe. Doesn't cost anything, and that helps. Happy trails.